Hello guys, so today this one is an HP color laserjet E77830. It's giving an error 63.00.41. So we open here. This one is our waste toner. Let's try to open it because the error indicates that there is low toner in the developer unit. So you remove the drum like this. This is the drum. You remove the drum. Then you unscrew this screw and the one on top there. You unscrew it. Then you remove that thing. Then also you remove this cover covering the developer unit. You remove the developer unit. You put a new one. After that, you replace the drum like this. You close. You put back your waste toner tank. You close. Then after that, you can restart your machine and the error is gone. This one now is the developer unit, the black developer unit, which you need to replace. This is the black developer unit you need to replace. So this is the machine, guys, the HP color laserjet E77830. Please feel free to call us on the numbers given below. Thank you.